G'day, it's Ray again. Unfortunately with my last video I had the Osmo Pocket in the wrong mode for running along. It should have been in the tilt lock mode. So I've got it set up in tilt lock mode now, and I'm going to do some walking and running tests and compare it to this. So what tilt lock is basically allows you to move the gimbal like that, and it should stay relatively level up and down. So doing that. Yep. Working fine. So let's go for a walk and then a run, and we'll test these out. So we're walking down the stairs. It is pretty windy here, so that's probably going to affect the audio quality. That shouldn't make much difference to the video. And it's a bit of an uneven boardwalk, so it's not going to be smooth walking. Okay, here we're going up the stairs. Around the corner. And back down the stairs again. Okay, so that was walking. Let's go and do a run and see how they go with running. Go 2 stairs at a time. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do some tests in selfie mode. Quick little trick: if you press this power button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it spins around into selfie mode. So another neat trick with this function button, if you've been following something and it's gone off track and it's like over there and you're trying to recenter it, just double click on that and it automatically recenters. The other thing is just a 1 click or switch between photo mode and video mode and vice versa. So there you go, 1 click for photo video, 2 clicks for recenter, and 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3, to go into selfie mode. Cheers. Okay, so another neat little trick you can do when you're in tilt lock mode is put your finger on the side of the screen on the right hand side and move it up or down to tilt the camera. So moving up, tilt it up in the air looking at the sky, and then bring it back down again, and it starts coming back down. It can be a little bit fiddly. It's like we've got stuck up at the sky, trying to get it back down again. So it's not the easiest thing to use. Let's try and tilt it back down. Here we go. Looking at my shoes. Oh, we're still looking up. Let's try it again. Tilt down. And now it's looking at the ground. It's also a little bit hard to control exactly where it goes, especially with this little screen. So the little wheel will be very useful. But that's just another little neat trick. Okay, so it takes a bit of getting used to the tilting of the head. So we put our thumb here on the right. You see the little yellow indicator there, and as we go down it goes green. And so the head is now tilting down, pointing at the floor. We move our thumb back up, go past the yellow bit, and it's now green the other way. The head is now tilting back up again. And see that? The head's turning up, and I'm not moving my thumb at all now, just holding it still, and it's continuing to go all the way up to the top. And if I move my thumb down, past the green bit again, and the further down you move it, the faster it turns. So yeah, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but I'm starting to get the hang of it. You can slow it back down, move it towards the center, take your thumb off and it will stay there. And then if you want to recenter totally, remember, 1, 2 quick taps. If you've been watching some of my other videos, you'll know I'm a national champion in powerlifting. If you're into that sport, I highly recommend checking out Pure Power. Perfect pre-workout for powerlifters, weightlifters, crossfitters, even people who are sprinters, jumping, long jump, triple jump, high jump, strength and power athletes. Perfect, designed specifically for that by a champion. Go check it out, the link is in the description below. So as you can probably tell from the footage, with tilt lock mode on, the performance from this OSMO Pocket was a hell of a lot better than it was without it, so sorry about that in the other video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. As soon as I get my hands on the Wi-Fi module and the underwater case, I'll be doing updated videos with those. Cheers!